The last few weeks, I've been experimenting with some pretty cool tech. As most of you know me, I create a lot of business patterns around AI, but this one I wanted to create something a little more personal for myself and my family. One of the things that I've been experimenting with was WAN 2.2. It was recently released. WAN 2.2 is made to take still images and be able to animate them and with high quality results. So I decided that I wanted to take some old family pictures and memories and see if I could bring them back to life again. Not just still images, but moments that really feel alive again. It's been a journey full of trial and a lot of error, but has created some really moving results that I want to share with you today. For me, this wasn't about just testing software. It was about reconnecting. My dad, my uncle, my aunt, people who had such a big impact on my life. I wanted to see if I could create something that captured not just how they looked, but how they felt, their expressions, their gestures, the way we remember them. And of course, not everything worked. Sometimes I pushed the settings too far, too many steps. I turned the CFG up too high. The results were cartoonish, distorted, or just plain strange. But that's part of the process. Every failure taught me something about how these tools interpret prompts, masks, and motion. In the end, this project wasn't about testing AI models. It was about memory, it was about family, it was about finding new ways to hold on to the people that we love that we have lost. Technology gave me a way to see them again. Not at all perfectly, but close enough to feel something real. And for me, that makes all the trial and error worth it. I hope you enjoy me sharing something a little bit more on the personal side, and stay tuned, there's more to come.